And just like that, the weather follows us here to Texas.
That's all, dude. So, you've walked in on me. Christmas has come early. We've got not one, but two GT3 RS ECUs that have just come back from unlocking. So, this one's for California, this one's for Florida. Next, you see or hear about RS stuff, we're gonna be in California with this car. It's white, it's got some red wheels, Visoc pack, real sweet. It's already got an exhaust on it, so just waiting for this guy to come back. And we're gonna go out there, do the whole map switch thing that you've seen before, but you're gonna see it again. We're gonna check on Junior out here. He's flashing an M8. It's gonna get some big flames, because that's what the guy wanted. It's already got the sauce. We're doing a little bit of tweaks to the fireworks so that it pops out. Big flames was like his car. We developed it on. Hopefully the BMW is cooperating. And I would really like to get the out of Texas, because this weather is absolutely dreadful.
It followed us from LA.
It did. And then LA got sunshiny. So if we go back to LA and this comes back, you are bad luck.
I think it's you.
I'm not f***ing bad luck.
I think it's you.
Dude,
you're the one visiting LA. I'm from LA.
I don't f***ing care. I'm highly favored and highly flavored, baby. Get with the program.
That's got very nice boost season going on over here.
Do we want to flash this? Yes. Do I accept stage 4 tuning and Mullet Man as my Lord and Savior? Yes, I do. Let there be horsepower.
Pretty good.
Didn't you used to own one of these?
Yes, I did. Had a black one. Very nice. She was pretty fast at like 95-degree piss weather during the summer. She ran like low 7s, high 6s, 60s to 130, so it wasn't too bad on pump gas.
And that was on a conservative map.
That was on a conservative map, yes.
You also had what sort of map?
Just pump gas, 93. Very conservative.
And we
also, it was
also
very safe. My car had 65,000 miles.
We're gonna go inside and I'm gonna show you my race car that is currently being prepped, because in a few short weeks we're gonna be at COTA. So come on. I spoke about it once before. Some of you seem to like it a lot. We, in 2.5, 3-ish weeks, my calculations are correct, are gonna be at COTA. And we're gonna see if we can get some speed out of this thing. Brakes working is going to be step 1.
Brakes are for
All right, now we're done with all that. To the topic of today's video, Urus. Very nice one. In a Porsche color with a wide body kit and a sick green interior. You find yourself sat in a Urus too, and it's stock, call me. I will make it not so. I'll give you 800 and some horsepower. I'll give you map switching. I'll give you transmission lights that don't come on when you put 24-inch wheels and tires on it. It's gonna sound better. The girls are gonna hear you from down the street as opposed to just down the parking lot. This engine, VW's EA825, what is the plural form of Urus? Is it Urus, Urus, or Uri, Urus? Comment down below. For those of you that don't know, this car, equipped with an EA825 engine, which is shared in all the VW Audi group big boy cars, so RSQ8, Urus, Cayenne Turbo GT, Cayenne Turbo, all sorts of other fun stuff that's equipped with it. If you have this, you too can be turned up to the level of that this is on. So 800 and some horsepower on the high map, assuming that you have good fuel. It's a great platform. It is very expandable, and if you don't want this one, you can get one for a lot cheaper. So RSQ8 is a great daily alternative if you don't want to constantly be going around in something that, you know, looks like you're a street pharmacist. We're gonna dive in now to the instrument cluster, because as has become a common thread here, we're doing a map switch car. So, Mike, follow me and direct your attention to the cluster. The first in the world equipped with our brand new map switching submenu suite. We have page 1 for your power maps, which is going to be 91, 93, 100 and an ethanol blend. Go to menu 2, check engine light blinks twice. We have the fireworks menu, no pops, pops, ridiculous pops, and all the exhaust flaps. If you are not controlled by an external valve controller, 0 is the pass-through, 1 is always closed, and 2 is always open. And then menu number 4 for switchable cold start. So if you want to be obnoxious or you would like to be somewhat more covert, you have all of these options at your fingertips. We got an M8 here. Now, conveniently for this gentleman, this is made before 06 of 2020. So, for those of you that know about BMWs, you know that everything made after 06 of 2020 requires an unlock and sending your ECU off to a land far, far away. So, this guy was lucky. It was an end of 19 production car. So, what does that mean? We unlock the ECUs here in this country, so it's a very quick process. They come out, go on the bench, we apply our magic, put them back in the car, then we can flash the ECU and the TCU via the OBD port. So, this particular car, it's got stage 2 93 octane software, it's custom, it's dialed, it's very nice. It's got a set of front mount intakes, primary, secondary downpipes, and a mid pipe with a resonator delete. So, it sounds the business, it shoots some very nice, articulated, beautiful blue flames. If you want to put it in rear-wheel drive mode and be a BMW, it certainly has the capability to do so. And on any given day on 93 octane, it's going to make high 600s real horsepower. So plenty enough to give you a mid to low 6 second 60 to 130 if you're in good boosty weather like now and you do have traction. An LP580 we did a few months ago. We're gonna hop inside right now. This car is stage 1 ECU only. Guys elected to add some TCU sauce to it, give it some crisper, more authoritative shifts, and you know, make sure that all torque strategies are managed properly. I can get really technical and boring, but that's where apparently I lose all of you. So I'm gonna get inside right now, read it. Luckily it's done through the OBD, and we're gonna give him some transmission sauce. The interior is very much that of a pumpkin. We have another LP580. That car we just read the TCU on. We're going to make a file for it here in a few minutes. But in the meantime, we're going to take this guy for a little spin. So this car is a stage 2 plus, paired with an X-pipe rear exhaust and our ECU, TCU, and map switch suite. So this guy has the RPM needle jumping all over, denoting 4 different power levels, 4 different flame configurations, everything that you've come to know now from the custom code suite. Little bit different on this application, since LP580, this car was not equipped with cruise control. So we've done the switch on the pedal. A combination of left foot on the brake, right foot on the gas allows you to toggle through everything. I'm going to show you how map switch works on a car, specifically a Huracan that is not equipped with cruise control. So what we have to do, find something on the powertrain can. So we've got throttle and brake. Push left foot brake, right foot gas. Now you see we've got check engine light blinking once. We have tap the throttle for maps. So 91, 93, 100, and E85. Now tap the brake again, and we've got our 4 pop and flame configurations. Fireworks menu, clean, burbles, gunshots, big long crazy flames. Tap it again, exhaust flap configs 0, 1, and 2. So stock, always closed, always open. And then tap it one more time, and we've got switchable cold start. So the V10s are very loud on the cold start, especially when you've got long tube headers on them. Personally, I like to run it off, but if you are a Lamborghini owner and you want to make sure that all your neighbors know at what time that you wake up, or the car show guys want to stick their cameras on your exhaust tips, put it in slot 1. Tap it once more, we're back to the beginning of the menu, push and hold the brake, and it exits. So very elegant, very clean. For those of you that question whether or not you're going to be able to remember all of it, if you do purchase it, I will give you a cheat sheet. Throw it in the glove box, forget it. If you ever want to set, the shit up differently, look at the piece of paper. It's very easy, very intuitive. And you notice the RPMs fell right back down. Cold start is off. So a little flare of revs, it's going to idle slightly higher while the oil and the water are low, but once that comes up, the RPMs are going to settle down to a nice, smooth, basic idle, about 800 RPM. If we want to put it in Corsa, obviously it will be raised. But yeah, it's a very elegant solution.
This thing is badass.
He's
So sexy, huh?